I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to lock your card on Kajabi, follow these simple steps to ensure your account is secure. Step 1. Log into your Kajabi account. Open your web browser and go to the Kajabi website. Enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once you're in your dashboard, find the account settings option in the sidebar menu. Click on it to proceed. Step 3. Access payment methods. In account settings, look for the payment methods section. This is where you can manage your card information. Step 4. Lock your card. Find a card you want to lock and look for the lock card option. Click on it to secure your card from any transactions. Step 5. Confirm the action. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you're sure you want to lock the card. Confirm your choice to finalize the action. Remember, if you accidentally lock the wrong card, you can easily unlock it by following the same steps. Stay secure and enjoy using Kajabi.